Hi friends, welcome to CCV Knowledge Hub. So in this session we will learn about access modifiers in C#. So how many types of access modifiers your C# will support and what are the accessibility levels in the same project or other projects. So all this information we are going to see. So let's move to access modifier slide. So here is my next slide. So your C#.NET will support 5 different types of access modifiers, that is private, public, protected, internal, protected internal. So here there are two sections available in this same assembly, that means the same project, and other assembly, that means other projects or class library. So if you take any variable or methods, if you declare as a private, the accessibility level is only within the same class. I am not able to access in the derived classes, that means inherited classes, and also other non-derived classes. And if you see other assemblies, we are not able to access if you declared private. So private scope is only same class. So other assemblies or same assembly different classes we are not able to access if you declare as a private. And let's see the public, second one, public. So if you declare any variable or methods or functions in public, so there is no restriction for this public. So if you declared any class or variable or methods so as public, so there is no restrictions. So same project, all the places, that means same class we can able to access, derived class also we can able to access, and non-derived classes also we can able to access. The same way other assemblies also there is no restriction, derived classes and non-derived classes we are able to access. And third one is protected. So protected, so same assembly, same class I am able to access, and inherited classes I am able to access, and non-derived classes it is not accessible. And other assemblies, if you take only inherited classes, that means derived classes I am able to access. So non-derived classes we are not able to access. And third one is internal. So internal means only same assembly, all the places I am able to access, whatever the variable or methods or class. So if you declare as internal, so I am able to access in the same assembly, but other assemblies I am not able to access. And the last one is protected internal. So protected internal, so I am able to access in the same assembly I am able to access, and other assemblies only derived classes I am able to access. Simply I can say this is the combination of protected and internal. So this access modifier, fifth one is, so it is the combination of protected and internal. So we can call it as protected internal. So these are the restriction levels of your access modifiers. Friends, these are the 5 different access modifiers we saw. So if you like this information, please subscribe CCV Knowledge Hub YouTube channel. Thank you so much.